Hello everyone. Have you ever dreamed of becoming a Brazilian farmer, caring for millions of animals in the Gobi desert of Mongolia? If you're passionate about livestock care and crave to experience a profound journey, let's explore this impressive world together. Get ready for an adventure to conquer every challenge. Imagine we're standing in one of the most challenging terrains in the world. It's a place where the cold desert and warm grassland undergo seasonal temperature changes, ranging from 4 degrees in winter to a scorching 122 degrees in summer. In fact, livestock farming has become not only an integral part of their daily lives, but also a primary source of income. In particular, in the Gobi desert, camels account for about half, while sheep and goats account for 20% and 10% respectively, and the remaining are other small animals. Camel livestock farmers primarily focus on areas with water sources and dry grass. This is not only a smart choice but also a strategy for the farmers' livelihoods, where water and food play a crucial role. You can see herds of horses, sheep, goats, and camels freely roaming without the need for direct supervision by herders in the desert. During the summer, all animal species graze freely but are still monitored by farmers on motorcycles to ensure their safety. Is this animal an icon of resilience in harsh environmental conditions? If yes, please leave the number 1. Otherwise, if you know which animal represents that, please specify. Unlike the Arabian desert, where livestock can return in the evening for additional feed, herds in the Gobi desert typically stay out on the grasslands until the end of summer. With significant temperature differences between morning and night, as well as the extended summer days lasting until late at night, livestock can enjoy comfort on the grasslands. They seemingly don't succumb to the harsh challenges of nature. Mongolia is one of the last pastoral nations on Earth, with its farmers' economy largely based on livestock. They spend almost their entire lives connected to the steppe. This is an amazing view that you certainly won't find anywhere else. Next to the sunlight, the silhouettes of camels and herders are boldly printed on the sand. Winter becomes more severe with climate change, directly impacting the lives of herders. However, nomadic life continues to endure on this vast land, and some cultural traditions are gradually being revitalized. These livestock not only provide economic benefits but also play a crucial role in transporting goods and belongings during migrations. Naturally, they're also considered excellent means of transportation when traversing deserts and high mountains. In the morning, farmers start leaving their tents. They attend to their camels and prepare for grazing. Areas with lush green grass near the tents are prioritized. As the grass depletes, they move further, crossing valleys. Camels are not prolific breeders when kept in small groups. Only when they're a part of a larger herd does the breeding rate increase. Do you know how much milk, on average, each camel produces in the camel milk desert? According to estimates, a herd of camels for Mongolian farmers consists of about 40 individuals, with each camel producing an average of 5 liters of milk during the 3-month winter season. Farmers process and sell around 2 tons of fermented milk to the market, generating a significant income. Not stopping there, on their journey across the Gobi Desert, they would witness sudden sandstorms or sometimes experience a calm day, only to face a blizzard the next day. Longtime residents of the Gobi Desert are still lost in sandstorms and heavy snowstorms. When the snowstorm subsides, farmers graze their camels freely, and they'll wander in search of food from the steppe to other grassy areas. The days in a herder's busy life often pass quickly. Farmers and livestock return peacefully, preparing to end a tiring day. If camels adapt well to the arid conditions of the desert environment, can goats withstand drought and find food in the limited grassy areas? According to the information we have, these factories can produce 4 million liters of camel milk per year. Camel milk is considered a highly nutritious type of milk and is very beneficial for health. Compared to cow's milk, camel milk contains less fat and cholesterol while being rich in protein and minerals such as calcium, potassium, and magnesium. Additionally, camel milk contains some amino acids that can't be synthesized by the body, helping to enhance health and support the body's recovery process after exercise. Therefore, camel milk is seen as a good choice for those looking to supplement nutrition and take care of their health. The process of processing camel milk at the factory is carried out to the highest quality standards, starting with the collection of healthy camels for milk. After that, the milk is filtered and pasteurized with advanced technology, helping to ensure food safety and hygiene for consumers. At this factory, camel milk can be processed into delicious and nutritious milk bottles or other care products such as shampoo, shower gel, etc. The number of goats in each herd is not high, but it is still maintained because the diversity between camels and goats helps herders minimize risks and optimize living resources. For those living in the Gobi Desert, life is a challenging journey. They often have to move along with their livestock, building mobile tents to shield themselves from the cold wind while protecting their animals from the risk of earthquakes or sandstorms. At the same time, herders always aspire to turn their challenging life into a meaningful journey. China takes the lead in horse meat production, accounting for approximately 26% of the total global output. Do you know why this type of meat is so popular? Research indicates that horse meat typically has less fat compared to beef and contains more protein. Horse meat also tends to have lower cholesterol levels than beef, potentially reducing the risk of heart-related issues. If prepared correctly, horse meat can provide various minerals such as iron, zinc, and vitamin B12. In the United States, there are currently about 9 million horses. These horses have become an integral part of the American cultural landscape, symbolizing freedom and resilience. Horses serve various purposes, from working on farms and participating in rodeo events to competitive sports and entertainment. While the United States imposes a policy prohibiting the slaughter of horses due to ethical reasons and concerns for animal welfare, some other countries continue these activities without facing similar restrictions. This practice continues regularly in other nations such as China, Vietnam, Japan, and Pakistan. The process of sedation and control before horse slaughter is a crucial step, inducing unconsciousness in horses before meat processing. This is a commonly employed method in many facilities, primarily aiming to reduce pain and stress for the horses in their final moments. Common sedation methods include using tranquilizers or specialized sedation devices, all administered by experienced professionals to ensure that the horses do not experience pain. Do you want to see the processing procedures of this meat type in the factory? Let's find out together. The process begins by cutting around body parts such as legs and head, followed by skin removal. The skinning process requires a delicate combination of manual skills and machine assistance to ensure efficiency and clean results. The horse meat is then divided into various parts such as fillet, thigh, leg, bone marrow, and many other portions. This process requires extremely high precision to ensure each piece of meat has consistent sizes. Depending on the quality and type of meat, each portion is categorized to serve different purposes, from everyday cooking to specialty dishes. In addition to using meat, horse leather also plays a significant role in the fashion industry, especially in the production of handmade leather products. The horse leather production process begins with the cleaning and preparation stage. This step is crucial to transform raw hide into a product ready for further processing. The main goal is to remove impurities and prepare the leather surface for the waterproofing process. First, horse leather is cleaned by removing hair, either by soaking the leather in a solution containing mild chemicals or using specialized machinery. After cleaning, they'll be immersed in preservatives. This step not only helps preserve the leather before entering the dyeing stage but also prepares the leather surface for the upcoming chemical treatment. The soaking process typically takes place over several hours or even a few days, depending on the size and thickness of the leather. The next important step is to check the quality and cut the leather. This is the final step that determines whether the leather meets regulatory standards for specific applications. Testing leather quality begins with assessing its softness and elasticity. These important factors show that the leather has been effectively processed and tanned. These leather workshops have brought significant profits to businesses and provided employment for many workers. After the horse hide has been cleaned and prepared, the next step in the production process is the tanning process. During this process, excess fats and proteins from the horse hide are removed. This not only makes the leather softer and more durable but also prevents its natural decay. In the fashion industry, products made from animal leather always hold high value. Horsehide is often highly regarded for its durability and flexibility, contributing to the creation of high-quality and comfortable footwear. Additionally, leather provides a luxurious and classy appearance to the products. Would you like to own a pair of leather shoes like this? Let me know your opinion in the comments below. A modern slurry pump is a mechanical device for pumping, transporting, and handling livestock manure and other organic waste. These slurry pumps are designed to address these wastes while being energy efficient. These machines are equipped with an intelligent electronic control unit, allowing them to adjust the device's operating parameters to meet the requirements of different types of waste. In addition, modern slurry pumps are equipped with filters to prevent the spread of infection and ensure the surroundings are kept clean and safe. The primary function of the slurry pump is to transport and treat livestock manure, minimizing waste and environmental pollution. Furthermore, slurry pumps are used in the wastewater treatment industry and in producing sugar, alcohol, and other products with organic waste. After being fertilized with slurry, the grass fields will be left to ferment for a particular time. Then, large-capacity plowing machines like this one will begin to work. Farming hundreds of acres will become easier with modern agricultural machinery. Depending on the terrain and soil structure, farmers worldwide use different machines to increase their productivity and reduce their working time. One of the most advanced tools in modern agriculture is the Vaderstad top-down 500 cultivator. This machine can till the soil evenly, create a soft soil surface, and reduce soil compaction, helping crops to grow better. The Vaderstad top-down 500 cultivator is a large machine equipped with multiple cultivator parts, including the central cultivator part, the leveling and cutting position, the grass cutting part, and the soil pushing part. This machine also has advanced electronic control, allowing the operator to set parameters such as tillage depth, speed, and pressure to match specific soil conditions. One thing that must be noticed before the season is the land cultivation machines. These machines have the function of loosening the soil and breaking it down to fit certain crops. A potato planter is designed to help farmers plant potatoes more quickly and efficiently. This machine is typically attached to the back of an agricultural vehicle and uses metal plates to dig holes in the soil, creating even rows for planting potatoes. The potatoes are then placed into these rows, and the machine automatically fills in the gaps to complete the planting process. As for the machine planting seedlings, this is a type of machine that can help farmers plant seedlings quickly and efficiently. This machine is usually mounted on the back of an agricultural vehicle and uses a mechanical system to cut a hole in the ground and place the seedling in it. Then, the machine will automatically fill the void to complete planting. Seedlings. The seedling planting machine is often used for large crops such as cabbage and sugarcane. Using a seedling planting machine can increase productivity and reduce labor for farmers. Did you find it surprising to witness this strange machine? It looks like a giraffe running across the field. In fact, this is a machine that tills the soil in rows, reducing soil compaction and allowing young plants to absorb nutrients and water more effectively. Thanks to its ideal height design, this machine can work with young plants up to 80 centimeters tall without damaging or breaking them. Loosening the soil is extremely important for seedlings and plants in the stage of solid growth, leafing out, and producing new branches. During this stage, farmers will loosen the soil and fertilize it to provide nutrients to promote the growth process of grapevines. Clearing weeds is also essential for crops in the growing phase, which require a lot of nutrients. These machines have a relatively simple design: a cutting unit and a weed suction unit. The machine's cutting unit is usually mounted on a long and sharp metal plate placed on an iron frame. When the machine operates, this cutting unit rotates around its axis and cuts off weeds and other types of grass in the planting area. The weed suction unit of the machine is located behind the cutting unit, and its function is to suction weeds and other types of grass from the ground and deliver them into a container or trash can. The weed clearing machine for crops is often used in large planting areas with high plant density. Removing weeds and other types of grass can help crops grow better by reducing light interference and competition for nutrients with the crops. The weed clearing machine for crops is a valuable tool for farmers and is one of the advanced technologies in modern agriculture. Next, pesticide spraying machines are an indispensable part of modern agriculture, helping farmers and agricultural producers control and prevent harmful pests and crop diseases. Pesticide spraying machines are designed to spray pesticides and antibacterial agents onto crops or soil to avoid pest and disease development and help crops grow better. Modern pesticide spraying machines are often equipped with mechanical operating parts, allowing for adjusting the amount of pesticide and spraying pressure depending on different conditions. This helps to reduce production costs and ensure the safety of the operator. Finally, After months of care and waiting, the farmers' crops have yielded impressive results. Now, they need even more advanced and sophisticated machinery to start a bountiful harvest season without compromising the quality of their produce. The onion harvester, tomato harvester, and chili pepper harvester are all excellent machines equipped with vital equipment and advanced technology to maximize productivity while minimizing labor. They help reduce labor costs and increase yields while ensuring the quality of the final product. Today's video will end here. We hope that it has brought you the most relaxing and comfortable moments. If you are not satisfied with the video, please leave a comment, and we will try to fix it. Finally, keep your body healthy to watch tomorrow's video. Goodbye.